Hi, well, this is garden tour week around here, Large Family Homestead, and this is Laura. Kevin's helped me a lot with little odds and ends around here. Anyways, the theme of this video kind of looks like my hair. A little wild and unplanned and unkempt. Anyway, this was a test year. We just moved here. Most people probably wouldn't have put a garden this year. I really wanted a garden. I got big hopes and dreams for this place, and I could see it as a failure, but I'm choosing to not be too disappointed and just think of it as this was the test year, see how things grow, see what pests you have, see what you need, and kind of reevaluate and plan over this winter for the next year. You know how it goes. Anyways, so I'm going to take you on a little bit of a tour, and then I'll show you this. I guess you have the before, and I'll show you an after. I got to weed a little bit here. So, here we go. Garden in probably a month or two. I did a little bit here trimming back the grass, but anyways, I'm going to do a little hyperlapse of and then before and after. Alright, well, it's a little bit hot and muggy out today. All in all, the dirt and the soil seems to be growing things really good. Nitrogen seems fine. It's just been the heat and the drought, really. Sorry I look a mess, but garden hair don't care, right? Alright, we've gotten a lot of things eaten off. So got a few different peppers. These black locusts grow back from the roots. This is kind of where I'm at now. Had some amaranth finally come up. I planted that for flowers. And I think this is, Shasta daisy. So we had, not sure if we're going to see anything from that. Definitely rained. We've got some cosmos that the deer aren't eating finally. And they were supposed to be nasturtium in here, but it didn't sprout. I planted some purslane. I've hardly seen it here at all. That's good to add to salads. It's kind of lemony. You don't want to eat a lot of it. But there's a lookalike too, so you have to be careful. This is like a succulent, thick, waxy leaves. And the other one's kind of flat and dry, and it has little dots on it. So, and nothing else grew. I learned that there's such thing as too hot to germinate, which I didn't even think of, but now I know. Oh good, our cilantro. So that's pretty much a bust. I'll probably plant some spinach in there. And zinnias are the power star of the year. Getting our first little, don't need that weed. Okay, first little blossom here. The kids like the novelty of eating these. And then these are our first beans. And they're not too far. They're about the same. Oh no, these are, I planted later. So we gotta get some beans soon. So I did just plant some potatoes that I had that were sprouting in the house, so I put them in a different spot than the potatoes we already have. And I'm gonna fill the holes we have, hopefully with like a fall crop. And I just gotta get a few little like wild weeds on the edge. Not a lot of food in this garden, but we grew something, and we'll at least get beans and sweet potatoes, and maybe a few peppers and potatoes, and zucchini. We've been getting zucchini, so that's cool. We're gonna try a zucchini apple crisp that I'll link a recipe down below from one of the YouTube channels that I saw had tried that. Because my kids, well, we made zucchini chocolate chip muffins today, but I think they're getting tired of those. Sometimes we'll make chocolate zucchini pancakes, or like roasted. When I could eat pecorino cheese, we would have like zucchini fries. So that's about the only ways we eat zucchini. So, and the strawberries, I'm super glad that we are going to get some baby plants from them. So hopefully for our 25 plants we'll come out with like 30 or 40. So anyway, that is the tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.